Hello everyone. Let's have some fun learning about agriculture. What you will learn in this chapter, you will learn and study the various types of farming techniques that depend on factors such as a soil, availability of water, temperature, humidity, and slope of the land. Anything that grows naturally or is cultivated depends on these factors. Transformation of transformation from a plant to a finished product involves three types of economic activities. These are primary, secondary, and tertiary. And new one is quaternary growth. Primary activities include all those connected with extraction and production of natural resources like agriculture, fishing, gathering are good examples of primary activities. Second one is secondary activities are concerned with the processing of these resources. Manufacturing of steel, baking of bread, and weaving of cloth are the example of these activities. Car assembly also the part of secondary activity. Tertiary activities. Tertiary activities provide support to the primary and secondary sectors through services, transport, trade, banking, insurance, and advertising are example of tertiary activities. The next new one is quaternary group, which is related with the high-tech services industry that carries out research and provides information and advice. Like in these days, these group help primary group help farmers to grow better production. Let's talk about type of cultures. First of all, I would like to tell you the word agriculture is derived from Latin word ager or agree. Agree means soil and the culture means cultivation. Agriculture can see on pick one the science and art of cultivation of soil on the soil, raising crops and rearing livestock. It is also called farming. The second pick you can see this is the pick of sericulture. Commercial rearing of silkworms, it may supplement the income of the farmers. Third one, pisciculture, breeding of fish in specially constructed tanks and ponds, or we can say artificial pisciculture. Aquaculture, farming of fish, molluscs, aquatic plants, lega and other organisms. Viticulture, cultivation of crops for wine. Horticulture, growing vegetables, flowers, and fruits for commercial use. Floriculture, flower farming for flowering and ornamental plants for garden and for florists. Apiculture, beekeeping is the maintenance of bee colonies commonly in man-made hive by humans. As you can see the pic number 8. Forestry is the science and craft of creating, managing, using, conversing, and repairing forests, woodland, and association resources for human and environmental benefits for environment. As you can see on pic number 9. Let's talk about farm system. Agriculture or farming can be looked at as a system, as computer system The important inputs are seeds, fertilizer, machineries, chemicals are the part of inputs. I tell you there are the two type of input, physical input and human input. Physical input like sunshine, rainfall, temperature, soil, slope, which is a very important factor on which the agriculture depends, farming depends. Human inputs like storage, labor, machinery, chemical. Now processing like plowing, sowing, spraying, which help to protect crop, which helps in growing crop, and output is crop. I hope you like my video. Thank you.